Hey guys, today let's learn how to copy and paste a picture onto another picture on a different iPhone. So in the case that you want to go ahead and do this, if you want to go ahead and copy and paste a picture onto a new iPhone, onto a different iPhone basically, all we need to do this is to basically go ahead and, well, of course you need to actually have this enabled on your device first. So go ahead and tap on your Photos application, and once you have already done so, of course if you want to put that picture onto another iPhone, of course you just need to basically use our three fingers to pinch our screen. So I'm doing a pinching motion on our screen and using my three fingers. So you do need to have a photo enabled, so go ahead on your Photos application and launch a photo that you want to go ahead and copy. And then if you have another iPhone laying around with the same, again I need to reiterate that you need to have the same Apple ID logged onto there as well. Just release or pinch outwards with the three fingers and you should successfully paste that onto the other iPhone. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.